Hello folks, not even a week in Italy and we packed our stuff again and headed out to our special place that we go every year, Croatia.
Let's go.
You swim?
Hi Mama.
Hi.
Let's go to the pool.
So the first day I don't like to be in the pool all day, so I go to my bar, I order my rattler and my octopus salad. Then like a nerd I go to my room and set up everything, unpack everything, make sure everything is ready for the week. And look, I even packed all the pills because I know I'm going to be sick in the next few days. And folks, this is an all-inclusive hotel, so dinner here is amazing. Every day a different menu. Fish as much as you want, any type. There's just more food than people. It's amazing.
Did you eat?
Oh yeah.
This is a family-oriented hotel, so there's plenty of activities after dinner. There's theater, baby disco, all sorts of fun games for them while the parents just sit back and get hammered. That's my lovely wife, and somewhere there is my daughter. So that's all we did the first couple of days. Check out our next video and see what we did on a boat.